Hello students, in this video, let's learn about argument writing. As this lesson progresses, let's answer three important questions. First, what is an argument? How is a claim different from an opinion? How is an argumentative paragraph composed? Let's start first with what is an argument. An argument states a claim that is supported with reasons and pieces of evidence from the sources. A claim presents one's position or stand on the given topic or issue. The pieces of evidence could be any facts, figures, statistics, findings of research, documentations, and experts' judgments. Sample topics for argument. You can write an argument that defends your stand on why your school should or should not implement remote learning next year. Or you can write an argument that presents your claim on why your whole country should consider implementing a 4-day school week. Or you can write an argument that defends your claim on why your city should or should not raise the legal driving age to 18. How is a claim different from an opinion? A claim is one's position or stand on a topic or issue that can be supported with evidence, while on the other hand, an opinion is one's belief or feeling on something that doesn't need to be proven or disproven. Claim is something that can be debatable or challenged, while an opinion is something that cannot be debatable, while an opinion is something that can't be debatable or challenged. Claim, for example, a higher driving age will have many benefits for teenagers and their parents. Opinion, for example, I like R&B songs. Always remember that a good argument has a claim, not an opinion. How is an argumentative paragraph composed? Your argumentative paragraph always starts with a claim that is supported with relevant evidence, and an explanation or analysis should be provided too. For example, raising the driving age to 18 will reduce the number of deadly car accidents caused by teenagers every year. That's the claim. And the one in yellow is the evidence. And it says, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has some frightening statistics. In 2010, almost 3,000 teenagers between 16 and 19 years old were killed in the US as a result of car accidents, and almost 300,000 ended up in the emergency room. Also, the CDC reports that teenagers are more likely than older drivers to speed and follow cars too closely, habits which significantly increase the risk of accidents. And the one in red is our explanation. If we make 16 and 17-year-olds wait to get their license, we will save many teens' lives. Moreover, always remember that you must support your claim with evidence from a reliable source. In this example, the information and statistics provided were taken from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which is evidently cited in the paragraph. Another example, schools should not consider implementing a full face-to-face instruction this year. That's our claim. And the one in yellow is our evidence. And it says, according to the Department of Health, the number of school-aged children with COVID-19 has been increasing. Children can be infected with the virus that causes COVID-19, can get sick with COVID-19, and can spread the virus to others. And the one in red is our explanation, and it says, this means that resuming and maintaining in-person learning may pose risk to children, teachers, school administrators, other staff in the school building, and their families and household members.